everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a zoom in and zoom out effect using CapCut on your PC. Let's get started. To begin, add the video you want to apply the zoom effect to on the timeline in CapCut. Move the playhead to the position where you want the zoom effect to start. Click on the video on the timeline and go to the video basics. Click on the diamond next to scale and position to add keyframes. Move to the point on the timeline where you want the zoom effect to end. Adjust the scale and position settings to fit the image or clip as you desire. When you modify these values, a new keyframe will appear on your timeline. For a zoom out effect, follow the same steps but move the scale to the left instead of the right. Alternatively, you can copy the first keyframe. Then, paste it at the desired point in the video. This will make the video return to its original values set in the first keyframe. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.